If I'm feeling down for any reason, I just come back here and take a look, watch the sunset when it's happening, look out over the Pacific Ocean. Let's enjoy the commute to work, do a little longboarding, and have some fun. No better way to start a shift than riding down a hill. Always come in happy. Beautiful ocean, sun's out. You have no idea the dues that I paid to get to this point. No idea the amount of discomfort and hardships and problems, but it's all paying off. And this is just the beginning. Something really big I'm gonna show you guys here pretty soon. But for now, we're just gonna go enjoy life for a little while. All right, I'll put on a shirt before I clock in. All right, you guys know that's my spot there. I'll be slinging beers in a minute. I don't pour any drinks though. I don't drink. I don't really want to pour drinks. And every time I get stressed, I just head back here for a moment. Well, I don't get stressed because I just don't care. It's just a part-time job. But if I'm feeling down for any reason, I just come back here and take a look, watch the sunset when it's happening, look out over the Pacific Ocean, find gratitude for every moment. There's always challenges coming right around the corner. You never know when they're gonna pop up, but they're gonna keep hitting me for the rest of my life.